Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make mie keluntung. What is mie keluntung? Mie keluntung is the noodle dish from Indonesia, specifically from my hometown, Surabaya. So now, for ingredients, let's check down below. First ingredients is going to be the noodle. The noodle that I use is going to be chow mein noodles, but the original recipe you will need egg noodle. So if you can find the egg noodle, that's the perfect noodles. But if you can't, then you can just use this chow mein noodle. For the greens, I'm using yu choy over here. But if you don't want a yu choy, if you available is like bok choy or any greens, then you can use that one. I have the green onion. And then now for the blended spice, you will need about 6 cloves of garlic. This one is a dry shrimp. If you don't have it, you can skip it. Chili. If you don't like spicy, just limit the chili for 2, or you get the big chili one, which is not spicy. And then the shallots, approximately about the same amount of the garlic. And for the seasoning, you will need sweet soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, chicken powder, and then optional MSG. For the protein or the topping, you will need shredded chicken, eggs, and tomato. So now let's get to cooking. Now we're gonna make our blended spice. So you wanna blend the shallots, the dry shrimps, the garlic, and then the chili. You wanna make sure it's completely became soft, or you add a little bit of oil. Okay, so when it became blended like this, or like seasoning paste like this, you can stop, and then we're gonna cook this first. Alright guys, you wanna cook this until it's completely cooked. You know when it's cooked, usually it became like a paste or thicken, and then the color became darker. You need to cook this for about, let's say, about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so now it became darker like this. I'm gonna turn off the heat. I'm gonna put this on the side. Now after you put that on the side, add a little bit of oil. Make sure the oil is hot. And now we're gonna add our eggs. You just need to scramble it. When you scramble like this, you can put the seasoning back inside. Add for about 400 ml of water. We're gonna wait until the water is boiling, and then we can add the rest of the stuff. Okay, now when you see it's boiling like this, you will need about 3 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. Now 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. One teaspoon of MSG. About 2 teaspoons of chicken powder. A little bit of pepper to taste. Now you want to mix them all up. I'm going to give a taste of my broth. Now for the sugar, I'm going to add just a little bit, about half teaspoon. Now we're gonna cook this for a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna add the noodle. I'm gonna add about 250 grams of noodle. The vegetable, you can add all in. Then we're gonna cook. And if you see here, you can add a little bit more water. You're gonna add a little bit by a little bit. We're gonna cook this approximately, it takes about 3 minutes to cook the noodle. So now after 3 minutes, the noodle is cooked, as you can see. So now if you see the broth or the liquid that we cook, it became super thick. Now, me, I like it like this. This is how it's supposed to be, but some people, they want to add a little bit of water to get a little bit more watery. But this is where all the spice, this is very nice, very savory, sweet, spicy, savory, everything is in this dish. Now we're gonna plate it up and we're gonna put some toppings in it. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Now for the toppings, I'm gonna use a little bit of tomato, fried shallots. This is optional, but I like with fried shallots. And then the shredded chicken. So there you guys, our mie keluntung is ready to serve. So that's it for our today's video guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.